Hey, what's up YouTube? 3-Pedal J here. So it's finally here. The day has arrived. It is 8:25 in the morning and I am at Wawa, my local Wawa. Got the rig right back there with Frankenstein Pyro. We are about to go get some breakfast to fuel ourselves up. The truck is gassed up. We'll pick up some food, some oil to make a change at the strip, and we're gonna let it rip, man. So keep tuned. I hope this is gonna be a great video. Like I say earlier, if you like what I'm doing, please hit that smash that bell, the like, subscribe, give me a comment, positive or negative. I don't really care. Anything you guys got to say, I read all the comments. Hopefully I'm learning from you guys and you guys are learning from me. But thanks for sticking with me, for the core that are with me still. I appreciate you guys. It's time now. We're about to get into our first competition. Testing is over. It's time to make it happen. So I look forward to what we're gonna do, and hopefully this video will be amazing. Thanks a lot. Bye. What's up, YouTube? We're here. We made it in. If you listen in the background, you hear Dan, president and founder of the Modern Street Hemi Shootout. I am trying to get in to get a parking spot. Got my father right here, came in from New York. Say hi, Dad.
Hey, how's it going, fellas?
This is gonna be a wild video, I can already tell. Firstborn might come tomorrow, possibly my uncle, all my buddies in the group chat, everybody who is familiar with me, my tens of followers. I appreciate you guys for continuing the effort, and we're gonna see what's up. So here we go. All right, guys, I'm in the lanes, and there's some heavy hitters. We got ZH Tunes is here. Hopefully are you okay with me putting you on film? I apologize. A lot of the Street Hemi guys are still here. Look at the lines, and it's just day one. It's gonna get even better. It's gonna get even better. Can't wait. Stay tuned. We'll talk more. Cars in the lanes. How you doing? You okay with me putting you on film?
Yeah,
okay. Some of the cars in the lanes. I love this freaking SRT8. I want one of these for a daily. Just SRTs for days, Challengers for days, Demons, Red Eyes, you name it, we got it at the Modern Street Hemi Shootout, guys. Anyone who gets an opportunity, who likes heavy racing, please come to one of these events. It's my boy Smurf Cat. What's up, dog? What's up? I'm finally at an event with you, dude.
Hey, hell yeah.
But I ain't trying to run with you, though. So we got a whole lot of cars out here. A lot of my buddies here that I've known for a little while, or that I just met. It's just an awesome event, awesome time. Coming through pits, checking everybody out. It's gonna be a good show today. It's gonna be a good show. And then tomorrow is Pro Stick, which was one of my favorites. Excuse me, guys, I'm sorry. Pro Stick tomorrow, Eastern Mopar Classics, and our Index classes. So it should be a really good time. Should be a really good time. Just take a look at all the cool ass cars that are here. How's it going? All the cars that are here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. All right, I'm gonna head back to my car, because as they start to tech us, it'll be time to get rolling, and I don't want to hold anybody up, so we're gonna get back to the car. What's up, guys? More cars going behind me. Just taking a look. How's it going? How you doing? Are you okay with me putting you on film? If you're not, I'll bleep you out if you want me to. All right. What's up? What's up? I seriously think I'm the only 3-pedal car here. I'm the only idiot with 3 pedals. Is that good luck? What? Dude, I don't need luck. Dude, my car rides. What's up? I know your ass ain't got 3 pedals no more.
I haven't had 3 pedals since that car. There should be another one coming.
I hope so. Grumpy Cat's here. This is a bad mamma jamma, let me tell you. I wish I could get in this car for 1 second, dude. This car is right. How's it doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
There's my boy! There's my boy! Made our charge twos. They work like a champ too, baby. That's Mr. Brazel. He made our charge piping for us. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Look at all of these cars, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. And I'm really the craziest one, because I'm the only car with 3 pedals, I think. You got 3 pedals in yours?
Nope.
I didn't think so. I know she don't got 3 pedals. Maybe she does. Let me ask her. You got 3 pedals in yours?
Nope, no 3 pedals.
Oh, damn. All these beautiful, beautiful Mopars. You got 3 pedals in yours?
Yes, sir.
3-pedal J failing everywhere we go. I'm not gonna ask you, because this is a super stock car. Or you got 3 pedals in yours? Of course not. Of course not. All right, guys, this is crazy. I am literally the only 3-pedal car at the Modern Street Hemi Shootout. Am I insane or a genius? I don't think I'm a genius, so I have to be insane. Stay tuned. We'll see how we do in the 1050 index. Well, in typical fashion, my car is really fighting me today. So we are in the air because I had to swap the slicks on, but more importantly, if you look here, it is draining oil out the dumps. This did not happen when I was at the shop. So I think I'm gonna go home and get the full exhaust, put the full exhaust on it, and see if we can get to stop smoking and dripping oil out of it so that we're not dripping on the track. I think with the mufflers and everything, I think I'll be okay to run. It also was dripping out of the gates a little bit, but I think that's from residual, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it. I may not make it until qualifiers or until you know, test and tune tonight, but I just want to see if I can fix it and be ready to race tomorrow, because tomorrow is when the real show happens. Tomorrow is when we have the Pro Stick and we have the Eastern Mopar Classic and the Endux class that I want to run. So I've got some time, but yeah, the car is definitely fighting me, and I want to show you guys everything that happens when I'm at the track so you guys can get a feel for just how hard it is to actually make a pass. All right, stay tuned. Well, YouTube, I am here at home again, and as you can see, the car is in the garage. Barely had a large mishap at the track. So let me just say this. I think I blew the oil seals out of both turbos using anti-lag. And before anyone asks or says anything, these are VS Racing turbos, so these are pretty cheap turbos. They're 7265s from VS Racing, but they're not the best quality made turbos. They make boost, they work, and they worked fine when I wasn't doing anti-lag on the two-step. But now that we retarded the timing and we're exploding in the car, or in the exhaust chambers, sending that explosion through the turbos, I'm pretty confident I blew the seals. I'm going to get in the air here shortly. I'm going to pull both turbos off, and I'm going to inspect to see if the manifold has any oil in it, and if it does, then it's rings. If it doesn't, and there's a whole bunch of oil in the turbos and in the pipes, then I know for a fact that it's the turbos. And the problem with that is I don't have any more spare turbos. I have one good 6262, and I have two bad 6262s, and it looks like I have two bad 7262s. Oh wait, I got the GT45s. I had to think about it because I don't have the right couplers for the GT45's exhaust side, so that will be a problem. I don't have the right dumps for that. And those are also Chinese turbos, so anti-lag will cause those to have pretty much the same problem with, it'll probably end up blowing seals in those. So I'm going to either have to get comp turbos, which are oilless, or I can't do anti-lag with the turbos, which that's an option. So I could not do anti-lag and put the 6262s in. I'll probably order one of those this upcoming week, but stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll post up this video. So I didn't make a run today. I didn't make a pass. So hopefully I can get my money back tomorrow when I go back to the track. But this is real life. This isn't fake YouTube where all you see is the glory. This is what happens when you're trying to race and you're on a budget, and yeah, when you're just an average guy trying to do extraordinary things. But I'll keep you guys posted. All right, bye. All right, guys, I'm in the shop real quick and just here to show you. This is the turbo that I ordered to replace the bad ones, and here is the Hellion turbo that I ordered to replace what I thought a while ago. I thought I only had one bad turbo, but I had two. So if you look at this particular fitting, you can see straight through there. It's dark, so you can't see there, but there's no restrictor on that one. And then the other one, this is the Hellion setup that uses the Hellion feed, but there's also no restrictor on that guy. So that's how that gets fixed. And then I have the dash 8 return to dash 8 instead of having to use the adapter. And then here's the Hellion version, but I'm mixing and matching, but it's gonna work. They're both 0.82 AR 62 turbos, so they're the same. They're just slightly cast, slightly different on the back here. Also, I tried to actually put the Hellion bodies in the front on, but it's a little bit different. Just whoever Hellion uses versus VS Racing. But anyway, here's the turbos. You can look at them real quick next to each other too. They're basically the same size. They're basically the same. This one has the turbo shield on it, which is broke a little bit, but it still works. Don't judge me. I'll take the other turbo off the other side, the driver's side, and this one goes to the driver's side. This one's set up for the passenger side. This one is already hooked back up. I cleaned out the oil that was inside the pipes. A little bit of residue left, but not much. I checked the pipes on the passenger side for the actual turbo fluid. It's 100% dry, so that let me know right there that my suspicions were correct, that I burnt up the turbo shafts, and then the oil was just not draining. It was bypassing, going straight into the exhaust housing. So, and then we confirmed that by looking at the 7265 that I pulled out, and you can see all the oil that was pulled on the exhaust side of, right here is the exhaust side of the turbo. So you could see it was just pulling up in there because it wasn't draining fast enough, causing problems. And that's how the shafts got hot, and yada, yada, yada. You guys have already heard me explain it. So here we go. Here's the replacement, guys. We're going to get these jokers put on, and if all goes well and I can weasel my way out of household responsibilities, I'm going racing next weekend, so we'll see what's what. But yeah, that's where we're at. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys the other side, and then I'll close the video out. All right, guys. So here you see the backside of the turbo. As you can see, the journal housing has way too much play. Everything else, the shaft is here, it's fine, but the inside here is all burnt up because this is supposed to be sealed against air with tight tolerances. You can see where the oil is supposed to go through, and it has some oil on it, but not. I don't think it's supposed to have that amount. Either way you look at it, this is bad. This is not supposed to be like this. This plate right here, that is not supposed to be the case. So that confirms my suspicion. And just like the other one, this one is all completely oily and greasy. So you can see inside there all the oil. I don't know if you can see it on here, but there's oil all in there. If I were to, hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. I can see it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, there's oil collected in there. So this guy is done. These guys are done. They're not really expensive, so we're gonna just go ahead and get. I don't know if I'm gonna replace the 7265s. There's a better configuration out there that I like. There's a 7070 out there that I like, and I'm actually probably going to go with the 6870s oilless turbos. But if I were to go back to oil turbos, I'd do the 7070s. They're a little more expensive, but they make a whole lot more power. They're rated for a whole lot more power than these guys are. These guys were only rated for like 800 to the crank, and the 7070s are rated for 1100 to the crank. So obviously everybody wants more power. You can make more boost. They're more efficient. So I'm probably gonna replace these guys with the 7070s if I go that route. The 6262s are in. Well, they're not in. One of them is in, and I got to get this one in. This is the driver's side one, and then we'll try to drive it around, make sure everything's good, make sure it's being fed properly, and we don't have any issues. But if that's cool, then we will go next week. So I'm gonna try to get this video edited. That's gonna be it for this one. If you like the video, if you like the content, I appreciate it. Hit the bell, smash the like, do the things that they tell you to do on YouTube that I hate saying because I'm not very good at YouTubing. But yeah, I appreciate everyone who stuck around. This is a authentic Oh damn, I got this on still. Huh. This is an authentic YouTube channel. Like, I'm going to show you my failures along with my success. And as you can see, I have a whole lot more failures than success. But we're not going to quit. We're going to keep at it, and we're going to keep pressing the envelope. And eventually, I'll put my street car in the 9s and still be able to have AC. So that's the goal. Till next time, peace.